back to another video. This should be episode 2 of Robot War Test Server. Sorry if I speak a little bit fast for the first intro, but no, it is what it is. Bro, I swear that this is not real. This is not real. So y'all got no stage, man. Oh God, y'all got no stage. Oh, dude. But yeah, this is basically what the test server is, bro. It's just back on robot with them. Everybody uses them. Everybody's fucking balls with them. Still be using that kind of things. Okay, damn. So bro had the weapon. That shit is mad loud. That's mad loud. You got quite to hear me. But I'm gonna explain why. So basically, we already know the whole thing video knowledge. If I hit the ability, it gives me more health, like a little bit of armor, It shoots the drones and stuff, locks people down. It just basically. And damn, bro, them new weapons are. No, that shit. What are you shooting at, bro? There's no shooting, sure. I'm just spotting. Just go with the monster with this thing. Nobody can stop me right now. I'm just too good with this shit. That's about the only thing that I think can stop me. Leech. This Mars build, I made this Mars build specifically so when the weapons, like, they start to freeze them, then I throw the drone, and then when they're frozen, the drone will start attacking them, and then they'll have a harder time to move. I don't know why I'm lagging. Why am I lagging? Okay, I was about to leave the boat. Let me spawn, bro. Let it crash. Okay, well. Other than but yeah, the ducks definitely got nerfed. But it's still usable. Okay, I'm happy that it's still usable. I'm going to use it. Also, I made this ducks build with Tamer and Damper, I think. Tamer and Damper. The rust ones that make it so that people can't heal. Oh my god, bro. My dog's about to make me crash. Try it, Dennis. Wait. Oh, give me that. There's a interrupting my videos, bro. Barking over nothing. Literally, bro, a freaking shark could fall down the stairs and they just start barking. Annoying as shit. And then I catch them lacking, barking at stuff that's not even there. Like there could be nothing there. They could be literally barking at the fucking air. I don't understand what's wrong with it all. Man, I'm sick. Look at him. See, look. Look how desperate. Oh, is that desperate, bro? He thought he was gonna catch me like, well. Also, for people who probably want to know, this is going to be the newest ultimate thing. So what it has, it leeches on to people, and it heals over time for whoever is leashed to. And if they damage you, start to heal faster, and I think you heal quickly. With the pilot, you just go, I'm gonna fuck this guy. Yeah, basically everybody's running this robot. I don't know what to do. They got no taste, bro. Not even trying to do it. That's it, this video. I got another build to make, and another one that I we'll start taking them. I'm building a yeah, but the ultimate leash is definitely not as broken as like all the other ultimates. It's definitely not. It's not like easy, but it is good. Oh my god, man, these dogs gotta get me down more pressure. Especially the barrel one. Very important. Most should have brought it up. As you can see, that I love you go with the extra ability, that I have the ability that we want great games and everything to go. Just basically two broken combinations. The more I push this button, the big button here, those are like extra movement, like movement building, I'm pretty sure. Stack and build for that guy. This is the newest robot to go over. When you're in that form, you get like speed and I think the cooling build or something. And also you get a 50 vibration and you have that bottom splash or something that's like basically like the shell. It just does splash damage. And then when I get out, that stance like yeah, now. Out of this fucking big fat ass robot to move out of the way. Again. Well, basically, this is like a big Skyroach robot. Basically, the Skyroach. Just better. A lot more accurate.
especially when you go about especially when you first started, you get mad sleep. But these weapons, they're still good.
I'm probably yap for like maybe extra 2 more minutes, just so I can explain some shit. And yeah, this is the build. As you can see, it's not that broken. I don't really got anything that crazy. The other two might become more broken than this one. And yeah, that's really it. Oh my god, bro, my nose is so fucking good with that. Holy shit. I guess the good thing about recording is that you do it from your house. And it's not like you're inside or anything. You can just do it anywhere. But yeah. Beacon Rush. Let's go with the Mars. Oh, and I forgot to explain the drone too. So this drone can open these weapons and freeze people. You get like a defense migration just for a little bit of time. And then, well no, you get like 8 damage, 95% damage with the stick or something like that. And then like, putting down that money. I wish to be able to just finish it already. That's why I can finish it. Not because of the catalyst. Basically, when I get that guy, like, that wood, got the. Oh my god. It's build action, not the merch. I mean, yeah, definitely. Yeah, it works. I didn't fully believe in it at first, but look at that. When you get like the first lockdown code, see, like, I got the Trojan thing, I'll get the bonus right there, as you can see. Great damage bonus. And I'll show all the setups and things. But that will probably be that. I think that will be accurate after the match. Shit. Ducks, I don't suggest the Tampa neighbors. They got nerfed pretty bad. I really suggest it, but Damn. Yeah, I still don't think that's how you stop broken. It's definitely balance, but once it gets to the life server, it's just gonna be already know. Just go. Yeah. It look like it's balanced in the line, and then it turns into chaos. Do that for the last one. But basically, I just make these videos just to add creativity to make people know. Stop shooting him. You don't want to just turn it on. Don't bubble something, good boy. Now look at you. Yeah. I should do it. I did have a build for it on the last test server, but what happened? About the machine. I'm also gonna give some examples that you probably could change. I mean, it wouldn't really do much, but it's alright to change them if you don't have these drones or you don't have the weapons. Okay, so starting off with this one, I mean, these weapons are probably the best for it. It heals, it does damage, it's probably the best, but I would probably go with these ones, the Screamers, and maybe not that one because that feels much closer, but maybe the Driss could work too. And it's just, I'm pretty sure that's the only pilot it has, so I mean that's literally. And the drone, you could use this one, I suggest. But you could also use this one too. So basically what it does is after once you take a certain amount of damage, you go into that mode where you can't be seen. And it actually works very well. Same with this one. This one was literally meant for this robot. It's okay, so just to have variety. And you could probably use this one too. You get the best one style, so capture enough beacons, you can build up a good enough amount of armor or whatever these things are. Defense points, yeah. Defense points. I don't really think might be some other ones today. And then this one is literally just the whole entire thing when put together. There's nothing wrong. I mean, both of the pilots are pretty good, but I go with this one just because I want to have a bunch of damage. You don't have to really copy me for this one. You can go with any of these, I think. Maybe not this one fully. We'll definitely go with this one. It's really the same. It doesn't do much. And you can have anyone you want for these. Oh my god, what these are. And you can... Oh, I'm about to actually smack the fuck out of it. Whoa, no Diddy. What the fuck? Sorry, bad gang. I'm about to smack the shit out of the dog. Keeps on barking too damn much. Been hearing it bark like all day today. I should get it really tight. And I mean, that's the only pilot it has really. And you can definitely chase this out. You can have this one as well. I mean, this literally came with it, but you would have different weapons, which you can really change it for anything. This one is good. The secret with that one is good as well. This one's good as well. It could be a really strong build up if you don't buy it quick enough. Same with this one, I'm pretty sure, because the pilot gives you that effect where you clean with, like the stuff effect. So it heals great damage extra for you. I mean, you don't really need that, but it gives you this, which becomes insane. And then you get this as well. So that one's a pretty good build with that. I started with this one, and I'm pretty sure Beaker's good with it as well. Becomes even more annoying. It's a certain amount of damage. And then, like I said, with the weapons, it don't matter what you put on. Literally any weapon, talking any even commons, it just sits on everything still, even after the damage. And I think I'm going with this one just so that you can accumulate more damage. But you can also go with this one just for anything that's like ultimate or super tanky, like the ultimate fender. That's super tanky, but it will not last at all. And you can also just go with the back as well. It don't matter. But I think that's the bottom. And then like I said, for Mars, the opposing thing, you freeze people. You literally have the freeze effect, right? Yeah, the freeze effect. And then you throw the drone, and then the drone does damage. I don't think it really matters that much for what pilot you have, but I mean, the faster shooting for the drone would probably be better. But here, this is what this one does. It's when you freeze or track are applied to your enemy, your robot receives defense points or short time. And then you get the protection of great damage. So I mean, it's still good. And I went with the shield breaker just because literally this one gives you temporary what was it? I don't remember. Radar, quantum radar, basically what this thing does. So you can see enemies and stuff and shit. And I just went with this just so I could be even more strong with more, but you don't have to. I think anything else would be fine. It wouldn't matter. But yeah. Part with the police. And then this one, I mean, this one was good for this general. You can literally put any drone with it, any weapon on it, and it'll still just come. Just that broken right now on the test server, but I assume when it gets to the live, it's gonna be king. And then obviously the mothership, it don't matter what you're on, but I like health, so I always go with health. Attack as well, so it's good at those guys. And that's the end of the video. Holy shit, I yapped so much. Please like and subscribe, and that's it.